Hello grade 6 students and welcome to a new English video lesson. By the end of this lesson, students should be able to use the prepositions of time correctly. I know it's usually confusing which preposition to use in different contexts, but in this lesson I'm gonna give you some rules and conditions to use each preposition in its correct place. And after that I'll take you straight into an active exercise to practice. Okay? Ready? Let's get started. To start, let me tell you what prepositions we're gonna review today. In, on, at. And these are the most common ones, by the way. And we'll also have a look at the preposition during, after, and from to. Okay, here we go. Let's start with the preposition in. This preposition is usually followed by months, like the book fair is in October, and years, like he died in 2007. And it's also followed by seasons, like I like fishing in summer. Okay, here are some other cases in which we use the preposition in. We use in before a length of time. For example, we are leaving in 10 minutes. And before centuries, like this example, the artist painted this in the 15th century. Also, in comes before parts of the day, like when we say, I like watching TV in the evening. And now let's move on to the second most common preposition, on. On is usually followed by days of the week. Example, I do karate on Monday. On is also followed by exact dates, like the food festival is on 5 December. These are two common cases in which we use the preposition on to express time. Now, let's have a look at the third preposition, at. At is usually followed by specific times. Example, my art class is at 5 o'clock. At is also followed by specific words like night and the weekend. Examples, I never go out at night. I spend time with my family at the weekend. Well, let's move on to the preposition during. And this preposition is usually used to refer to the duration between the beginning and end of something. Example, I visited many places during summer. That means I've been visiting places since summer started till it ended. Clear, right? From, to. We usually use these two prepositions all together to show the exact time when something begins and finishes. Like in this example, the shop is open from 7 o'clock to 5 o'clock every day. Here, the shop begins working at 7 and finishes at 5. Get it? Alright. The last preposition in our lesson today is after. It's used to refer to something happening at a later time. Like when we say, that shop opens after 9 o'clock. Now it's time to practice what we've learned. Complete the following sentences using the prepositions in the box. Now, pause the video and think about the answers. Now check your answers. Great! Alright guys, we're almost at the end of this lesson today. But before I go, let me give you your homework. Use these prepositions in sentences of your own and write them down in your notebook, and you could ask your school teacher to check them. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.